Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to our Talk with Terry Tuesday. I am Dr. Tony Scott Terry. I'm the medical director here at Allure Laser Med Spa in Tinley Park. That will soon be across the street, but still in Tinley Park. So today our topic is the Opus Plasma Skin Resurfacing. So that was a mouthful. What is it? So it is basically skin resurfacing. So for people who have texture concerns, and you can have it at 20, you can have it at 60. For people who want more skin tightening, for people who have lines, there's a procedure that we still do. It's called a fractional laser. So it's a much more aggressive laser procedure that resurfaces the skin. The plus with this new device is that you can do it for any skin type and the downtime is not as long. So previously when we would do like resurfacing lasers, you would need about 5 to 7 days off because basically your skin is being remodeled. This works a little differently. So it uses the oxygen and the nitric gas from the oxygen, and we're able to use that along with the plasma in order to resurface the skin. This is not your blood plasma. This is a technique that we use to do deeper resurfacing. So people will say, we have a video out there. We'll actually add the video we'll add a link to it so you can actually watch the video later of someone actually having the procedure done. So I like this device. Number one, you just don't have the downtime. And I know we're still in the COVID area and people may have a little bit more downtime, but nobody really wants to resurface their whole face and wait for about 7 to 10 days for that to heal. It looks great afterwards, but you do have some downtime. We've significantly reduced the downtime with this device. People come in, they get like a 40 minutes. We numb you so that this is way tolerable. It's not something that you're in here screaming because I can't tolerate that. So we numb you very well. And people love the procedure because it really does help to rejuvenate the skin with decreasing the lines, the texture, tightening the skin. And it's not just the face that you can do. You can do the neck. And I'll show you some of the devices that we use. This is the machine, so you can see where it says glide, focus in. There's just different ways in order to improve the texture. So I'll show you quickly kind of what the glide looks like. So this is the handpiece that we use. Oh, I meant to tell you. I had a peel. So I did the VI peel. So if you see my skin looks like it's peeling away, it is because it is peeling away. So we may put some pictures of my process of peeling as well, but if you see the peeling, I'm not ill. It's just I had a VI peel and my skin, the dead surface layer is peeling away. Okay, back to Opus. So this is the device. So it has these little, they're not needles, but they're little sparks. And what it does is it actually causes, when it contacts the skin and the device is on, it causes little pinpoint areas. Almost similar to microneedling, but I can change how deep, how wide the actual effect occurs with this machine, which is why we can do it on any skin type. For darker skin type, we're not as aggressive because we don't want you to have pigment issues with this. But you still get really good results from this because before, we didn't have anything for darker skin types that would actually help to improve a lot of those things that was a laser. So this is the glide. So with the glide, basically what we do is we connect it to this device. I put in whatever the setting is I want for you individually, because I can adjust this. And we start doing the procedure. So basically, I glide this way, I glide across, I glide diagonal. So I am hitting each and every area of the skin that we are treating. People love this device. And like I said, it really is something that it's a newer technology, but it works well without the downtime. That's one of the biggest things. So this is what we call the focus in. The focus in is a little different. So I don't glide with this. What I do, especially for people who have like a tech neck, I have a tech neck. So you can see my lines here. What we do is we actually go into the lines, or if you have a deeper line on your skin or on your face, we go into those particular areas and we give it a direct amount of energy to that space, which actually helps to improve and treat that area. We can do it for those 11s. Some people have deeper 11s, so you may get Botox to kind of, stop the muscles from pulling, but this will also, it helps the lines. So we just give it a little energy to that area and it will rebuild your collagen. I tell everybody, if you are rebuilding collagen, I don't care what procedure or what device you are using, it takes 12 weeks. Some people will start to notice changes that's happened earlier than that, but you've got to give it the full 12 weeks to see the final results. Now, most people, when we're doing resurfacing of the skin and the texture, most people will need about 3 treatments. Usually I do this between 2 to 4 weeks apart, depending on how your skin is healing. And like I said, for some people, my clients who are more skin type 1 or 2, we could be very aggressive with them because they have less risk of having side effects. So whatever you can tolerate. If it's too uncomfortable, we can turn it down. So we tailor this to you individually. So that is the Opus. It's a newer device. You can read about it. It's got really, really good results. People really, really like this device. And once again, I've done even skin tightening in other areas, such as the abdomen or the arms. You can do it. Like I said, we have to numb you for this, but it does work really well with giving you some good tightening. What else are we talking about today? So, I forgot my housekeeping. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube and podcast channels, and share this broadcast. Updates on the new place. Yay! Okay, it's been a long process, so I'm probably a little bit more excited than most people have seen, but the demolition has started, and they are doing a fantastic job with going through there. Shout out to my builder, Ron, Benedetti Homes, in case you need a builder. But they are working really hard. They're working really fast. We're excited about the progress. We're trying to do touches and make sure we've got everything that you guys would like to see in a wellness center. So we will have a fitness center. We'll have an IV infusion center. We'll have a yoga studio. My medical gynae office will still be there. We will be adding massages to the spa. We will be doing conferences for educational purposes. So we are really trying to make it an all-in-one inclusive wellness center. So when you come in not feeling so great, by the time you leave, we hope to have you in a whole new state, because I realize after I pass 50, things change. and especially with COVID and everything that's going on, I just want us to feel better, to look better, eat better. So all of these things, I just want us to live a healthier and feel good inside and out. So that's the update on the spa. Now, I guess I need to ask if you guys have questions. So we are actually doing a special this month for the Opus. I know it's a newer device. People have probably not heard of it. It is a great tool if you are looking to resurface your skin, if you're looking to do tightening, if you're looking to get rid of those lines. This is a great tool, but without the downtime. So come in, call us at 708-895-8497. You can visit us. Currently, we are still at 7062 183rd Street in Tinley Park. Once again, you can send us a text. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube and podcast channels, and share this broadcast. Okay, you guys, I will see you, I think, next Tuesday. Can I do next Tuesday? For the medical. So let us know what you want to talk about for the medical broadcast. And then we will put that together. Uterine fibroids is one thing that people are concerned about. Heavy bleeding, menopausal symptoms, hormone replacement therapy, whatever your concern is, write in, let us know what you're interested in. And we'll do the medical side of it once a month to let you, to really just kind of educate you on things that you're concerned about, that you're nervous to maybe ask your doctor about. But we're easy. You can ask us any questions, write in so that we have them ahead of time. And then we'll try to get to all of them next week. Okay? Same time next Tuesday. But it will be Talk with Terry Tuesday medical. I forget what else. I forgot what they said it was going to call. But what is it?
Tidbits.
Oh, Tidbits. Tidbit Tuesday. So many Tuesdays. So Tidbit Tuesday is the medical side of it. So I will see you next week. If there are certain topics you want to discuss, let us know. We'll try to address them and get to all the topics. Probably won't get to everything for the first Talk Tuesday tidbits. I'll get it together. But we will try to answer as much as we can. Okay, we'll see you soon.
Oh. Doctor, could you repeat the phone number for Allure? I believe you gave the office number.
Oh, I'm sorry. So I'll repeat the spa's office number again. It is 708-864. What is it? 4988. Sorry, it's been a long day. Let me repeat it again. 708-864-4988. Call us, schedule a consult. They are complimentary, and we can kind of answer your questions and get you where you want to be. Okay, we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.